Alright, so for today, as you see, I'm in a different location. I am traveling for work, but I do want to take the video. So we got more than a dozen airdrops to go and claim. These are all the June airdrops that you might have missed, you might have not, but let's go and watch them together. And it's going to be a different location as well for the camera, so bear with me, but let's go and jump straight onto the laptop. So I hope you are seeing me well, and we jump now to the laptop. And first thing first, I did open 2 new trades just before recording this video, and I'm gonna close this Ethereum long right now. I got $264 in profit, and I will be doing a giveaway. So make sure to sign up to the link down below to ZoomX. Make sure first deposit, and I will send to your UID over on the ZoomX app to people who have done their deposit and started trading. I will send you those because it is really, really nice. And also, ZoomX is a non-KYC exchange, so any of you can participate in the giveaway. Any of you can participate in the trading. Make sure to go and sign up right now. Talking about the airdrop, we got a dozen to talk about. So the first one, I'm not gonna waste any more time. We got the Drift airdrop 57 token, as we see over here, that I can claim. Simply sign up to your Solana, your Phantom wallet, go and claim it like this one. And as you see here, Drift is in your wallet. If we go and check my Phantom wallet, now we see that they are here. So $21 in Drift token. Perfect. Go and check yours. If you did, we did participate in Drift, we did participate together, so make sure to go and check it, and depending on the amount of trading that you also did. So if you did follow my instruction, you did receive some big funds. Next up, we have the Mindshare Mining Season 1. This happened in June. Make sure to go and check your rewards right here. Connect your wallet, as we see here. MetaMask or Wallet Connect. I didn't participate in it. There was a leaderboard, so if you did participate and you did get the money, congratulations, you're in for some treat. Next up, we got Layer Edge Foundation. You can go and enter the airdrop right now. Connect your wallet. We did already grab it. It is already in our MetaMask, but you could have missed it, so make sure to go and grab it for yourself. Next time, we have also the Elise network airdrop, which right now is not loading the page, and here is the error, but make sure to go and check it on your computer, on your location. Potentially, depending on the location that you are, you could be blocked. But with that said, make sure to go and do it because it is important. Go and check it. You got nothing to lose. Next up, we got the Resolve token generation airdrop right here. Claim has already closed, but this happened in June. Make sure that you can go and participate on the season 2 if you didn't participate on the season 1. Next up, we have the Huma airdrop that happened in June. It has already ended. It did end it a couple of days ago, so I hope you did go and participate. I hope you did go and claim your airdrop, which if you didn't would be a bit of a shame. Let me know in the comments below. We also have the Kamino airdrop right here. Just go to your portfolio or to more right here. Kamino season 3 allocation. This is your total allocation. You can claim and stake the allocation as well. You can go and claim and sell. It was a dust airdrop, absolutely terrible. But yeah, it is another airdrop, so make sure to let me know also down in comments below your allocation for all of this airdrop. Next up, we have the Sophon airdrop. As we see over here, I was eligible for 1,456 token. I didn't even know about this until now, and I did go and claim it late, so make sure to go and check it. Connect your ERC wallet, your MetaMask wallet. Make sure to go and check it, connect it, and let me know what you think, and also what is the allocation that you did receive. Next up, we got the movement. The move drop claim is open. Connect your movement wallet, whether it is the OKX wallet or the nightly wallet, and make sure to go and claim your allocation for this one. We then have the infinite airdrop right here, so go on and skip, connect your wallet, and check over here between the badges and the explore page how much you received and what is your total token allocation for this airdrop. We then have the virtuals.io, the Genesis launch, and the airdrop is right here, so make sure to go and check if any of this one you are able to be eligible for it, and if you are, congratulations, let me know down below. We have the Prism airdrop as well. Go and connect your Kepler wallet. Very simple. We have already received it, and this one was another dust airdrop. Not to be surprised for only 63,000 participants, but even if it is $1 or $2 or $10, it is still bread. So make sure to go and check it. Let me know your allocation down in the comments below. We also have the boop.fan airdrop right here, ready when you are. Connect to check the eligibility. Connect over here. Connect with Twitter. That boop goes with Kaito, as it is powered by Kaito. I receive over here, and let me know your allocation for this one as well. I was eligible for this. It does ask you to go and create a cult after this one to go and connect your airdrop, which I don't want to do towards my community, because then it will become a token that you would have to pump, and if it reaches a certain market volume, then you do receive the part of it, and then ends up by everybody dumping. So I didn't even participate in it. I am eligible, but I did not participate. We have the Milky Way airdrop. This is the stake the TIA token over for the Milky Way token. Connect your airdrop, connect the wallet over here, connect Kepler wallet. which I assume you have received. And I did never participate in the Milky Way and Tea ecosystem. Anyway, it's down the dust recently. Let me know if you think differently. But yeah, make sure to go and check it as well. We then have the Kernel Season 2 airdrop is here as well. The eligibility criteria minimum of 150 kernel points earned in the Season 2, proportional allocation based on the total points earned, and advanced cyber detection filters out of the fake accounts. This is the airdrop to go and claim directly from Culp itself, and I will leave you the link down below to go and check. This is on the Solana ecosystem, so all you gotta do is connect your Solana wallet. Eligible airdrop, as you see here. I'm not eligible for it because I did not participate, but if you are, let me know in the comments below. And then that is it. We're talking about fuel, which it was at the beginning, but guys, let me know what you think. And as we see here, if you want to come and join my trades, I have the link in the description for the Telegram, and I posted on Twitter, I posted on Telegram. It's free calls. This is a funding account, so it's not a real money. This is a demo account, so not real money. But nonetheless, we go and practice and we go and make the most out of it, and we try to learn how to trade. But make sure to join me on ZoomX